In this tutorial we're going to go over how we take 4 HREM images and align them into a map stitch output. The map stitch output is a freehand drag and drop stitching tool inside the Stitching Tools application. First thing we're going to do is create a new session. Experiment folder, or where your files are saved. In this case, raw holds all of the folders containing the images. I'm going to select this one here because it has a good amount of data in it, but I could have selected any of the image stacks below. This does also work on singular images. We're now going to open the panel. First thing I'm going to do is slightly adjust this pixel height down to 2500 and change the back color to blue. This just helps me see the images better on the background. So I'm going to drag and drop this image here with the left hand mouse button. Do the same with this image here. But in this image here I'm going to line them up. So I'm going to just pick a feature to line up these two images. In this specific image we have some focus shift on the left hand side of the image, which is why you're seeing a little deviation. And now we're going to put in this other image here. Again, just finding points to line it up. You'll know when it's not perfect because you'll get misalignment usually at the image seams, so just check for these. In most cases it can trick you into thinking that you're correct, but actually you need to go down a little bit. So here I'm quite happy with the image alignment, both on this side and this side. So now I'm going to add my final image, and it's just hidden behind here. That's why it helps to have a bigger map, you get to move things. And we're just going to align it up perfectly with these here. So let's leave it at that for now. We can make it even better later. I'm just going to move the set of images to the right a bit by doing the control button, put them in the center, and I'm going to make the background white. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just click create whole stitch, and you can see this is the exact image I'm going to end up with when I do this. Now we're going to click the apply to stack button and pick the folder containing all of our files. So here I'm just going to select this raw file here containing all the folders like I did earlier, and just click that. So now I'm going to select this file here, click TIFF, and we can see that I've saved files earlier, so I'm just going to go up one. In fact, I've saved 2 sets of folders and go output files 3. And here we're going to put the prefix we want, so in this case let's just put images underscore, and then this will save 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on with a pad of 7 zeros, and then just click save, and now it's going to go through all of the images. We can see we've got a bit of deviation here, so it would have been good just to make sure that there wasn't that. Okay, so we have our final output image.